Las Vegas is a city famous for its vibrant nightlife. And here we come to Vegas. 24 hours casinos and other entertainment options welcome you right from the airport. Let's head to our hotel, the Mirage. This is the check-in reception. We were lucky enough to get $100 discount as the receptionist took a long time for the process and kept us waiting. Hotels in Vegas are just like malls. You have plenty of options for shopping and food. Check it out. This is the Pantry restaurant. Look at the queue. It was super jammed during morning for breakfast. This one was my favorite. This is a sweet treat shop. What do you think about the popsicles and cupcakes? These are all bath treats. You can't eat it. They are all soaps. Aren't they super cute? This is the view from my room and I could see the swimming pool. Let's go to the pool. They call it Pula. This is a perfect place to grab sun rays and some attention as well. A lively pool to have fun. Next, I'm so excited to meet the dolphins. Come face to face with the dolphins, play, learn and explore in this enchanting world of dolphins right in the Mirage. Next, the casinos. The Mirage offers a variety of games. Play and try your luck to earn rooms, meals, show tickets and many more. It's so funny yet very common in Vegas. Girls holding the heels and walking barefoot. Let's go to the Venetian. It's right opposite to the Mirage. Take an outdoor gondola and enjoy the beautiful architecture with your loved ones. The hotel uses Venice as its design inspiration and features architectural replicas of various Venetian landmarks. This is the St. Mark's Square at the Grand Canal. It's surrounded by restaurants and shops. You can take a gondola ride here as well. Now, time for some food. Variety of fresh gelato, and she chose her favorite mango. Being a vegetarian, it was not at all difficult hunting for food here. This is an Indian restaurant, Italian food, in which you can make your own pizza, choose any topping you like, and don't forget the cheese. Good thing about this food court is it's open 24 hours. You got Subway and Chipotle too. There are so many options to choose from. For sure, it won't keep you hungry. There was this man all painted and acted like a statue. If you give money, it will move, but we didn't pay any. Next, we went to see the fountain at the Bellagio. You can try the Bellagio buffet here, which is grand and contains a variety of cuisines from around the world. Next, the O Show. This is one fantastic live show not to be missed. Ensure you purchase your tickets well in advance. Photography is prohibited here, so I'm sorry, but kids and of course adults are going to love this. And our day ended with the volcano show at the Mirage. Wasn't it spectacular? Next day, we had a delicious breakfast and started for Grand Canyon. Hope you guys enjoyed watching Vegas with me. If yes, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll take you to Grand Canyon in the next video. Thank you for watching.